Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix reconnection bugs on Mobile Legends. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to play the Mobile Legends game, but it doesn't connect and keeps on reconnecting, then there are a few reasons why this might be the case. The main reason is that your internet connection isn't working as it's intended. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data network connection. You can also try opening up any other application that uses the internet, and if this application is running as intended, then your internet connection is not the issue. So the second thing to try is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then simply search for a Mobile Legends game. Once you find it, if you see an update button instead of play, then this means that you need to install the update. So tap on the update button and then this will begin the installation of the latest updates. Once the update is done, try opening up the game and see if it works fine. If it still doesn't work, then one last thing that you can try is to open up your phone settings and then go into applications. From the application page, scroll down and look for Mobile Legends. When you find it, tap on it to open it up. And now scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear cache first and see if this helps. If it doesn't, then tap on clear data and the delete button as well. After you do this, your application should be running just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix reconnection bugs on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.